Hello guys. Welcome back to a new lesson today. Today you learn how to make YouTube automate in minutes with NI10 and save channel data to Google Sheets. First, you have the manual trigger that will start the workflow. That's the manual trigger that you learned in previous lesson. And this is the YouTube channel node. Okay, here you type YouTube. Okay, and get a channel. This is the function. Get the channel. Okay, let's delete this now. Okay, and here what you have to configure your YouTube account that you need to on the YouTube account you will need the client ID and also the client secret that you'll need to go and see what's them and complete here. After that you need to sync with the Google account and the YouTube is configured. Okay, on the resource, always choose channel for this lesson. Operation get, because you want to get all the essential data about our YouTube channel ready to use in our workflow, and the channel ID you need to complete. Also, the fields here you choose ID to get the channel ID, and the snippet you will choose because the snippet will give the basic channel info, the title, the description, the publish ad, and the thumbnails. Let's execute to see. Okay, Jason, you see here the ID that you put on this field, and the snippet that I told you, you will get the title, the description, the thumbnails, and the publish ad. Perfect. Okay, now we also need a, a Google Sheet node to save your data from the YouTube node. Okay, for this, you need to open a Google Sheet. Let's create a new spreadsheet. Okay, you need to put the column from the YouTube channel I have here. So the channel ID, let's copy. Okay, next is the channel name. Next, description. Publish ad. And the thumbnail URL is the last column. Okay, let's rename this day 1. Okay, and now go back to our flow. So here on the Google Sheet account, also you need to connect the Google account, the client ID and the client secret. After that, on the resource, you will choose this sheet with documents. After that, append row, because you want to put the details just in one row, not to update row, only append. Okay, and here you need the document to choose by ID. So our document ID is this, starting after D and finish near edit. So you type this here. Okay, and you see if you click here, we'll go to our spreadsheet. Okay, after that, let's select the sheet. So you have the sheet, you can you choose by name. You can put our name is day 1, or also from list. Let's choose, and you see you have here day 1. Okay. Also, you need to map each column now manually. After you enter the spreadsheet, you will have the column channel ID that I type here. Okay, so here on the channel ID, we will put this expression from the YouTube to get the ID. You select here expression and type here. Okay, on the channel name, put this expression, the snippet, title, also expression, not fixed. On the description, we put this here, also expression. Okay, publish that to see the time. Again, expression. And finally, the thumbnail URL. Let's copy, paste. Also expression. Okay, now you see here you don't have nothing, and after execute, let's wait. All the column was completed. So here avem the channel ID, channel name, the description that I have on my channel, the date that was published in the channel, and the thumbnail URL of the channel. Let's open this to see exactly. And you see NI10 from 0 to hero. Okay, let's close this. Let's close. You see, execute the overflow. And if I go again to the spreadsheet, you'll see again we have put it the channel ID. You see here automatically, and execute. We wait, and again every time we execute we'll append a new row with the channel details. Okay guys, that was all for today. So today you understand how to write the data automatically into a Google Sheet, and to that fetches your YouTube channel details, the ID plus the snippet. Thank you for your attention. See you in next video. Like and subscribe. Bye bye. Okay guys, welcome back. Today we will learn how to save YouTube video stats to our Google Sheet in N8N. What we will make today is to fetch the statistics for a YouTube video, like the views, the likes, the comment, and the title. And after that, save the data directly into the Google Sheet. Let's start the workflow. Let's get the node YouTube. Okay, get a channel. Okay, of this, get a channel. Okay, we need to select the video. Okay, the video ID you need. That's my channel. Let's say we want this my first video. Okay, the video ID is this. Let's copy paste here. Okay, so we want to select the snippet and the statistics for this. Let's execute. Okay, after this we will get the Google Sheet node. Google Sheet node, yes, append row in sheet. Okay, will be sheet in document, append row from list. No result because you don't have nothing. Let's create it. Because this is the day 2, we will create the sheet with the day 2. Okay, rename day 2. Okay, rename day 2. Okay, Okay, let's open it. And now let's put the column. So you have the title, first column. Next column will be the count, the views, likes, comments, and the date from today, because you want to see the date when the video have these qualities. Okay, now let's see if update is something. Let's execute. Field, search, append row from list. Let's see. Still nothing. Let's execute again. Okay, append row from list. You see that appear now. Okay, day 2. Okay, now let's need to map each column. For this I have noted the function for each field. So for the title you need this expression. Okay, after that for the view count, the statistics. Okay, expression also for the likes, statistics, also expression, the comments, also the field from statistics, and the date from the date. And because my local string is from Bucharest, we'll put this to see the exact time for me. Okay, execute. Okay, let's see the if they completed. Okay, so that this isn't completed because you need to execute the overflow again. Let's see now. What I put wrong here, statistics, comment count. Oh, expression, didn't select expression also here. Okay, let's execute again. So now we have the title, installing an antenna and the first sample overflow. I have 35 view, 2 likes, comment 0, and the date that is today, you see this is. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next day. Bye bye. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial I will show you step by step how to get the latest video from any YouTube channel and automatically save it into Google Sheet. You will use the Ni10, the YouTube and the Google Sheet to build a simple automation that save you time and keep everything organized. Let's dive in, guys. First, you need the YouTube node. This, get a channel. Okay, here we will need to select the video, get many, and from the, because you want to get the latest video, you'll put the limit 1. That will give you the latest video. Okay, execute. You see the title is this. Day 2, save YouTube video starts to Google Sheet in an item, and to see if this is the latest video, you see here. That's my last video that I published. Okay, so the YouTube node is configured. Let's continue. Now you need the set node to configure the details. Okay. Here you will have 3 fields for every information that you want to translate to Google Sheet. First will be the title. Okay, the string, and we will take from here the expression. JSON snipe. The snippet field will will show us the title. We'll put here. Okay, select expression. second field will be the URL from our video. Okay, URL. Also will be string. Okay, also expression here. And the latest field will be the publish date of the video, when the video was published on my channel. Okay, date of published. Okay, value this. Okay, expression, execute URL. Okay, and let's drag the YouTube to send the coordinate. Let's execute now again, and let's see. Let's open the set node. You see, all is good now. The title, the URL. I forgot to put an L here. Let's execute again. The URL and the date of published. Okay, and now I want all of this to go to Excel in the Google Sheets node. Okay, let's put again another node, Google Sheets. We'll need the append row in sheet. Okay, sheet within document. I already created the document that is empty. Let's search from list day 3 sheet day 3. Okay, here we have this option, map each column manually. Let's execute. We need to gather this. Okay, let's execute again the workflow. Okay, and now you see the output, and also you need to see the output here in our Google Sheet, and you have this output, the title, the URL of my video, and when it was published 2 days ago. Okay, so guys, that's it. You just learned how to automatically save the latest YouTube video into the Google Sheet using NI10. So this is super useful if you want to track multiple channels, build reports, or even trigger notification whenever a new video goes live. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, because I'll be sharing more automatic hacks with YouTube, Google Sheet, and AI in the next video. Thanks for your patience.